There are different types and sizes of wire terminals, but the procedure for installing all of them is the same. This is a bullet type of crimp terminal. Make sure you have the correct size of terminal for the wire to be terminated, and that the terminal has the correct volt-amp rating for the job it is to perform. Remove an appropriate amount of the protective insulation from the wire. Always use a proper stripping tool that is in good condition. You will get a better connection if you do not twist the strands together tightly before placing them through the terminal, as this gives the terminal more surface area to come in contact with the wires when crimped. However, it can be difficult to insert the wires into the terminal if they are all just loose strands, so twist them together just enough to help you insert them cleanly. Place the bullet or terminal onto the wire. It is important that the stripped part of the wire does not extend beyond the insulated part of the terminal. Some types of crimp terminals do not have an insulation component fixed to them. These come in two parts, and the insulator is supplied as a separate component. In these cases, always make sure that the core of the wire to be crimped extends through the core wings in the terminal. Use a proper crimping tool for pin or core crimping. Do not use pliers, as they have a tendency to cut through the connection, which can give trouble during service. Select the proper anvil for the connector or terminal selected. These are usually color-coded, so it is easy to match the terminal with the right size anvil. Crimp the core section first. Use firm pressure so that a good electrical contact will be made, but not excessive force, as this can bend the pin or terminal. Then crimp the insulation wings or section. This crimp is on the wire insulation to hold the cable in place, not for electrical contact, so you do not need to crimp this section quite as hard. Give a gentle tug on the finished job to ensure that the connection will hold in service.